Hello everyone. So we are very excited to launch our this collection. It is an addition to Sobhya जो हमने कुछ weeks पहले I think or a month or so पहले launch किया था. So Sobhya means soft, mulayam, flowy. So that is all Munga silk is all about. So आज का जो है collection ये सब Munga silk suits का है and it's an extensive collection guys. Stay till the last in the video. बहुत वैरायटी दिखाने वाले हैं हम लोग आपको मूंगा सिल्क की. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पीस इन माय हैंड एंड द वन आई एम वेयरिंग इज आल्सो मूंगा सिल्क बट ये प्रिंटेड में है. सो इट्स लाइक ऑफिस वेयर, मोर ऑफ अ कैजुअल वेयर सूट. बट जो हम दिखाने वाले हैं दे आर ऑल लाइक पार्टी वेयर एंड लिटिल हेवी एंड ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिव वेयर, wedding wear. So this is the first one. It's in silver zari. So I'm going to get it close. This is the nice mauvish pink color with all this red meena in it. And silver zari hai, border diya hai niche, as you can see. I'm just going to fold it a bit. So all three pieces are in munga silk guys. Even the bottoms are going to be in munga silk. I'm just going to show you the kurta and dupatta. So this is the dupatta in it in silver zari with meena, and the tassels are done. They are ready to go out. 1 minute, let me okay, I'll let you know the price just in a bit. So this is the first one. थोड़ा फास्ट जाने वाली हूँ बिकॉज बहुत सारे पीसेज हैं दिखाने के लिए. The price is 20,620 for a 3-piece Munga silk suit set for these suits. And they are super gorgeous. Munga is, as you all know, very soft. It can be worn throughout the year. Perfect sheen shine होता है जो सारा साल पहन सकते हैं. Soft इतना होता है and बहुत सारे लोगों का favorite है Munga. So this is a nice shade of, what color can I call it? Peach and brown के बीच का कुछ color है. It's a very nice shade. Very different. So all this is silver zari guys. अभी तक जो है मैं सब silver zari के दिखा रही हूँ आपको. Depending upon the color, the zari might appear different, but base silver zari ही है. तो जैसा कि color होता है उसके हिसाब से zari दिखती है अपने को. So this is a nice chrome yellow, very chrome yellow color with meena. So these are silver zari, meena, सब है इनमें. So this is the dupatta with it. So they are ready to go out. I think bottoms भी ready हैं हमारे पास इनकी. So if you book the piece, it will be shipped out the very next day. So this is the dupatta with it. Okay, the next one. इसी डिजाइन के मैंने आपको 4 या 5 कलर्स दिखाए हैं. Now we will change the design. I think this is the last color for this design. Guys, the good news is that up till Diwali we are shipping internationally free if your order is of the invoice value of 50k or above. So you are eligible for free shipping. So that is one thing that you guys can take benefit of, full use of. So this is a nice shade of sea green color है, बहुत प्यारा, with all this meena in it. So this was the last for this design guys, and now we are moving on to the another. ये भी उसी design का थोड़ा सा फर्क है, concept है same. This is a very nice shade of maroon, as you all can see, and this isme zari is antique gold zari. It's not silver, it's antique gold zari. So this is the border in it. Borders front में ही है खाली I think in suits में. And this munga silk का है 3-piece. Even the bottoms are in munga silk. The one I am wearing उसका भी bottom munga silk में ही है. Lining देके आप आराम से you can. So this is the piece. The price is 20,620 for 3-piece munga silk suit set. Just have a close look of the dupatta and the kurta. It's a very very pretty color, very festive, very wedding wear. Okay, now moving on to the other design. These are natural colors of munga silk, but इसमें meena है colorful, so they look very very pretty, very dressy. So this is the first color in my hand. So this is the kurta. I'm going to open it up for you. Yes, नीचे दामन में border दिया है, and the zari is very dull gold zari, very dull gold zari. These are the bottoms in munga. So this is the dupatta with it. The price for this one is also 20,620 for a 3-piece munga silk suit set. Okay, the other color is in this. Guys, you can book these pieces with us with the 40% of booking amount. और जैसे आप पूरा amount pay करते हैं within a month, we will ship the piece to you. And बाकी COD available है. For that you have to give a token amount. In case this suit is for 20,620, you pay a total amount of 3620 or 2620, and rest you can pay on COD. So this is another beautiful shade of blue and purple का combination. Super gorgeous pieces and very classy. कहीं पर भी कोई भी wedding function में festivals में पहनी है and they look superb. So this is the bottom in मूंगा. ये इसका last color है. All the base color is natural मूंगा guys. It's not dyed or anything. Natural मूंगा है. Only the मीना is in different colors. So ये अपना एक different concept है of these suits. Very contemporary design. And this is the dupatta with it. So I'm just going to get the close up of this dupatta का border. यही border दामन में है. Just have a look. We have the pictures with us in case you want to see the pictures. So these suits जो मैं आपको अभी तक दिखा रही हूँ, they are all Instagram exclusive and Facebook exclusive. They are not there on the website. They might go depending upon the availability. अगर available रहेंगे हमारे पास तो हम डाल देंगे website पे. Otherwise you'll have to shop it from Instagram or Facebook. Just take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, and we'll be there to help you out. And this is a totally different design and a shade of pink, dusky pink. इसमें बहुत सारा मीना जरी दोनों का जाल है. I'm just going to open it up. Very nice pieces. So बहुत सारी आपको मैंने pieces दिखाए हैं. इसमें आगे पीछे दोनों तरफ border है guys. So this is the kurta in a dusky pink color with very bright orange and purple ka meena in it. So this is the dupatta with it, and the zari is antique gold zari, very antique gold zari, muted zari actually. The color of the zari is, and this is a gorgeous piece again. The price would be 20,620, right? Yeah. So this is another वही dusky pink है, but थोड़ा shade में फर्क है in this one and that one थोड़ा सा, and this is a different design but altogether. So these are the booties. कुर्ते में उसमें जाल था, इसमें booties हैं, नीचे दामन में border दिया है दोनों तरफ, and this is the dupatta. All three pieces are in Muga silk, even the bottoms guys. So this is the jal dupatta. So उसमें जाल कुर्ता था, इसमें जाल dupatta, and the design is also slightly different in both. So this was the piece for you. Moving on to the next. This is a brocade munga. Very pretty piece in black color. ये ब्रोकेट का कुर्ता है पूरा मूंगा में. As you can see, मैं आपको सिंगल लेयर दिखा रही हूँ so that you can have the look of the flow. So very flowy, very lightweight in despite of being brocade. बहुत सॉफ्ट है, बहुत फ्लोई है. So ऐसे आएगा कुर्ता आपका. It's all in a zigzag pattern. Very contemporary design. And इसके साथ ये दुपट्टा है with all these booties and the border. So this one also is also in silver zari. So this is the dupatta और ये इसका bottom है plain मूंगा silk में. Sorry. Okay, the price for this one is 21,620. 21,620. Very nice piece. Very unique. और एक और है brocade में मेरे पास. This is also very different design. So this is the bottom. This is a shade of mauve. I'm going to open up the kurta for you. Brocade का कुर्ता है, दुपट्टा है. So this is the kurta in brocade. Floral जाल है पूरे कुर्ते में. Just going to open up the dupatta. पहले दुपट्टे पे आप tassels देख लीजिए. 4 corner tassels है. Very pretty tassels on it. Just going to let you know the price. Okay, this one is for 20,620. And the dupatta is plain. We've kept it plain with just the borders because इसमें कुर्ते का इतना beauty है, इतना rich and heavy है. The brocade is there. So the dupatta is just with the borders. You can see the flow, the length, everything. In case you have any doubts, you just come on our WhatsApp number, and we have many modes of payment. Anything you name it. International credit card, debit card, national debit card, credit card, EMI option on your credit cards, that is there. And then GPay, bank transfers, cash deposits, everything you name it. This is the last piece. No, I have one more to show you. This is a very nice midnight blue color with all this silver zari jal on it, as you can see. And this is the dupatta with it. With silver zari, tassels are done. They all are ready to go out. The bottoms are also ready for most of them. So the price for this one is 20,620. तो मोस्टली जितने मैंने आपको दिखाए सब 20,620 के हैं, एक या दो को छोड़ के. So this is another gorgeous piece, magenta pink color with all this kadwa sonarupa bootas. There's no border in this one. ये कड़वा सोनारूपा के बूटाज है, कड़वा है ये वाला. एंड दिस इज द बॉटम विद इट प्लेन में. एंड ये जाल है सोनारूपा का. द जाल इज इन कटवर्क. द कुर्ता बूटाज आर इन कड़वा. ओके, इसमें कोई टैसल्स नहीं है गाइस. इन केस यू वांट टैसल्स, it'll take 10 to 12 days and it'll be sent to Banaras for the jhalar tassels. 4 corner tassels chahiye, you can tell us, we can get it done, and the charges would be extra. So this is the last piece for the video. I hope you like the pieces. Just take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, and we'll be there. Thank you. Have a great day.